to Ghent. We're going to be spending a couple hours here doing a walking tour in the old historic center. We just got on a street tram from the central station into the old town, so we'll be there soon and we're going to check it out. Standing on St. Michael's Bridge, which is a good starting point for a walking tour of Ghent. So we're gonna head this way and stop at the three famous towers in town. The first one is St. Nicholas's Cathedral, I believe, followed by the Belfry, and then St. Bavo's, if I have that right. So we're gonna go check it out. Ghent is one of the largest towns in Belgium and used to be a big shipping port in the Middle Ages. As it sits where two rivers meet, but now it's really a modern city and a university town, but one of the most well-preserved towns of the Middle Ages. A lot of the buildings and history here dates back to the 12th century, so it's pretty cool, pretty unique. This one's called the Belfry.
It's just a 2-block stroll from St. Michael's Bridge to this point, and it takes you past the three iconic towers of Ghent. You've already seen St. Nicholas's and the Belfry Tower. Pictured now are St. Bavo's Cathedral and St. Baflin's Town Square. Like most churches, St. Bavo's was free to enter, but Mass was going on, so we headed back out into the cold rather quickly.
That one's called the Duvelsteen Castle. Not really sure what used to go on there.
A quick Google search tells us that since its construction in the 13th century, the building has been used as a gathering place for knights, an armory, monastery, a school, a seminary, insane asylum, prison, fire station, and archive building. Quite the diverse structure. After the Duvelsteen building, we looped back around St. Bavo's to the Ghent City Hall. This truly remarkable building certainly rivaled the City Hall in Brussels at the Grand Place. If you haven't seen my Brussels video, be sure to check it out, and while you're at it, it would mean a lot if you liked and subscribed. After the City Hall building, we shot down the Ghent Graffiti Alley on our way to our next medieval building in town, the Gravensteen Castle.
They call this the Gravensteen Castle. And then very cute little market square here. That guy. Yeah. Come on. Ready. You look cold. It's 42 degrees today. I think I saw something that said it was like 6 degrees Celsius, 42 Fahrenheit, something like that.
Once we walked through the Gravensteen Castle, our self-guided walking tour of the Old Town was nearing completion. We grabbed a waffle for a snack before soaking in some of the final sights of the town and heading back to the train station.
All right, so we completed our walking tour of Ghent, and it's a really impressive, beautiful place. A lot of this architecture is really unique and not something you see every day, and I definitely recommend making this a stop. We walked through in a matter of hours, but I could see people spending at least a day or more here if they really wanted to dive into all the different buildings and museums and things like that. So Ghent gets a thumbs up from me. All right, we're waiting for the train to leave Ghent. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.